Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is doing well. So how about if we start digging in this delicious meal? Hi guys! Today we have Alfredo pasta with mushrooms and sweet corn, and also make this what they call this, I forget the name. It's a little bread, so whatever. And I have cold water, so let's start digging because I'm hungry. So I hope everybody's in home doing well. I've been doing okay. It's been tough to be inside of your house without. I've been doing a lot of things. I've been painting a lot. You know, guys, I'm painting. So I've been using my time. It's so creamy and cheesy. So yeah, I've been trying to use my time. Cheers. By the way, I'm gonna show you guys. I bought these metal straws from Amazon. It's coming, I think like 10 or 9 or something. So I'm very excited because usually my front teeth are really sensitive. So sometimes when I take cold stuff, I really feel it. But with this guy, it's better. Let's try this. So good. I hope, guys, everybody's inside the home and don't go anywhere because we have to be safe. Okay? Oh, guys, this is so good. I know it's been quite a while since a video, but honestly, I've been feeling so sad and depressed because before all this happened, I was already homesick, you know. By the way, if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Raquel, and this is Latinas Mukbang. And yeah, and also sometimes my sister make videos. Her name is Melissa. Today I have my shirt, Frida Kahlo. Love her. Anyway, what am I saying? Oh yeah, so before all this coronavirus, I already wasn't home, stuck in home, because if you're new on my channel, obviously you don't know that, but last year, at the end of the year, I had 2 back surgeries, and since the surgery, I've been suffering a lot of back pain. So with the coronavirus, I was very, sad and down. So honestly, I don't was in the mood to do videos because I was really sad, and I mean, it's not like that type of sadness, like, how to explain that? That sadness that that people will be really bad, really sick, or is people really sick, and it's nothing you can do more than prayer and be there. I'm sorry about that noise in the background. I know it's very annoying. I need my own studio though. It's really hard to recording videos in home. First of all, because sometimes, well, today my dogs are sleeping. But honestly, if it's not dogs making, barking, is there a condition or the furnace or always something making noises. If I can explain to you how creamy and delicious is this pasta, you won't believe it. This is scored just for the Alfredo pasta lovers. And number 1. Wow, this is good. So, I've been thinking a lot what to do around my house. Well, and obviously on my possibilities, because I have to be careful with my back. But I've been doing a lot of paintings. If you want to see it, my paintings are in Instagram. I will let my Instagram below, in the box below, so you guys, if you want to go and see my Instagram, you can go. It's no big deal. I'm honestly not that great with the social media, but I try to post as much paintings and videos, not videos, but paintings. It's more like for paintings, or when I do a really good dish, I will put pictures there. So I know I owe Sammy, hey Sammy, make up a video, and I promise Sammy, I'm working on it. I will try today to work on that and post it as soon as I can. Then I want to see my family in Costa Rica, because I went to Costa Rica a month ago already. Wow. I can't believe it. How fast the time flies. It's amazing. Guys, I'm really sorry about the noise in the background. I want to try to recording in another room. The thing is, my kitchen have the best light. So obviously, but I have a spare room and I want to try to do like a studio. The bad thing with the spare room is in winter it's too cold, in summer it's too hot. It's really weird. I think it's something to do with the windows or something, because yeah, they can be really cold. So yeah. Really good. Mm. Mm. Water, cold water. So I want to try to do more videos. It depends how I feel. You know, I have days when I have so much pain that I don't want to do anything. But hopefully I will be doing more videos. Guys, please, please, please be safe. Don't go anywhere. Stay home. It's no excuse. If you need food, Uber Eats is several different ways to bring food home. In every single country, that's for sure. And then if you need to go out, just go out because you really need to go, like the clinic or the hospital or the pharmacy. But don't be hanging out outside because we have to be precautious. We need to be responsible for everybody else. Okay? Like always I said, guys, I hope you have a wonderful week with the people you love, and see you soon again in the next and delicious video. Bye guys, take care.